Today we are going to perform the second experiment of sonometer, that is law of tension, page number 43. This is the second experiment of sonometer. Here we are going to make use of the same sonometer apparatus which we had used last time. The same explanation remains the same. It consists of a wire of 1 meter long, a wire passing over 2 bridges and a pulley, and then onto a hanger. Can you all see this hanger here? This hanger is 500 grams weight. Onto this hanger we can add these weights. Each of these weights are 500 grams. We can add these weights onto the hanger. So in this experiment, what we are going to do is, we are going to keep the tuning fork constant. This tuning fork is 480 hertz. We are going to keep this constant 480 hertz, and we are going to vary, or we are going to increase the weights onto the hanger. Last time what we had done, we had kept the weights constant and we had varied the tuning forks. Now what we are going to do, we are going to keep the tuning fork constant. We are going to make use of only one tuning fork and vary the length between the two bridges and the mass. We are going to increase the mass. So initially we will add 500 grams onto this hanger. So the total weight now is 1000 grams or 1 kg, and we will take the readings.